If you are a heavy wax producer and you're suffering from overwhelm of wax buildup that is plugging your ears, or maybe you're also dealing with swimmer's ear and some pussy, just gunk inside your ear canal, today I'm going to share with you a DIY eardrop recipe that will greatly improve your situation. It works to dissolve, disperse, and get rid of earwax that is deeply adhered to the walls of your ear canal, and it'll clear out debris, it'll recalibrate your pH in your ears, and reduce the risk of any infections and fungal invasions that are going on inside your ear canal. I'm so excited to share with you this really easy, simple earwax reducing DIY recipe. Hi friends, it is ear time. We're going to talk a little bit about the heavy wax buildup that happens in the ear canal. Specifically for a lot of my patients, they have narrowing ear canals or are overwhelmed with a massive influx and production of earwax. Sometimes it's related to allergies, maybe bacterial or fungal invasions, or just it's the situation they've been dealing with since they were young. Today, I'm sharing with you how you can use baking soda in a water slurry to put these drops of baking soda and water into your ear to help remove earwax as well as dry out your ear canal to greatly change the state of your ear health, unplug, unclog, deeply impacted earwax. This recipe is actually what a lot of ear doctors are using in their clinics when they're helping to dissolve and disperse of wax that is built up in your ear that's driving you to the doctor's office. So with this recipe, you can cut the trips to your doctor and help minimize the overwhelm of earwax and help your body naturally disperse and dispense of earwax. So this is the simple recipe, super easy. You're gonna take a half a teaspoon of baking soda and combine it with 2 ounces of warmed water. You're gonna put this baking soda water slurry, and it's gonna look like a little bit of a slurry. You're gonna put that in a dropper bottle, and you're gonna take your dropper and you're going to dispense anywhere from 5 to 20 drops in your ear canal. You're gonna wanna do this when you're laying down. You're gonna have your ear, that is the target ear, facing the ceiling, and you're gonna put the drops in. And you wanna hold for anywhere from 20 minutes to 60 minutes. Whatever time frame you have allocated that you can do this, the longer the better. What this does is it alters the pH balance in your ear canal. This is great for the infections, the fungal invasions, as well as helping to gently exfoliate the dead, dried skin that often is adhering to wax. That tends to be problematic in a lot of my wax overproducers. So this slurry is going to greatly enhance that natural process of removing wax. Don't be shocked as you have this slurry in your ear canal that you hear some bubbling or kind of releasing. You might even feel like there's this kind of unplugging, if you will. And often when you sit up and this drains out, it's not uncommon to have bits and pieces of wax actually exit the ear canal. When you finish with this eardrop process, I do recommend a water-based or saline-based syringe of just flushing any of the slurry out and just kind of clearing and cleansing the ear canal. As you force more water into the ear canal, don't be surprised if you notice a lot more wax exiting after the water flush. And it's not uncommon that after a night's rest that you might wake up and there's earwax on your pillow or even kind of encrusted on the outer part of your ear. This is highly powerful, and doctors, they approve it. They actually use it in their clinics. And so I'm excited to share with you this resource, because if you're dealing with gunk, excessive earwax, overwhelm that is clogging and plugging your ears, or maybe even causing an infection inside the ear canal right around the base of the eardrum, this will greatly enhance your ear health. And if you are looking for additional tips, things to clean your ears, resources, tools, additional recipes, I'm gonna recommend my Ultimate Ear Health Master Class. It is a comprehensive masterclass. It includes a workbook, And the workbook has an assortment of additional recipes I share. You might also find helpful my hydrogen peroxide recipe. That's another great way of dissolving and loosening up earwax. Sometimes we'll have pesky earwax in there that even after multiple days of doing this slurry, that it takes a little bit of time to get resolved. So have patience with the ears. It's not always a quick, immediate fix, but over time, as you keep good, healthy ear hygiene, you're gonna have a lessening of the earwax and ultimately be more capable of dispersing and dispensing of the earwax naturally. I'm curious about any questions you might have about your ear health. I do plan on creating additional videos to help you deal with clogged, plugged ears, waxy, gunky ears. So feel free to ask any questions you have below, and I might use them in my next video. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you check out my Ultimate Ear Health Masterclass, and I will see you on our next video.